Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the headset and computer. Enable developer mode in the Oculus mobile app because sideloading requires it. Once done, connect Quest 2 to your PC using USB-C or enable wireless ADB so files can transfer. Make sure the Oculus PC app recognizes the device and that ADB drivers are functional. This prevents install errors. Then download the CX File Explorer APK to a known folder. Doing this now saves time when you run the installer in the next step. You proceed to sideload the APK. Open a terminal and run a DB devices to confirm the headset. Then use a DB install followed by the APK path to install CX File Explorer. If you prefer a graphical flow, use SideQuest or the Oculus Developer Hub. They handle ADB and permissions for you. Once installed, grant storage and file access permissions inside the app or from headset prompts. This ensures CX can read internal and external files. Make sure it shows up under unknown sources before launching. You finish by opening CX File Explorer from unknown sources and configuring default storage paths and permissions so you can browse files immediately. If the app crashes or fails to open, clear its app data, uninstall and reinstall the APK, and then check ADB Logcat for obvious errors. This reveals permission or compatibility issues. If problems persist, re-enable developer mode, reconnect your USB or Wi-Fi ADB connection, and confirm your Quest 2 firmware and APK version are compatible. This single step fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.